What is sannyas? What is that?
Only desiring for Krishna. Only wanting Krishna's desire.
He uses body, mind, and speech
To be constantly engaged in bhajan. That is sannyas. Understand? To be constantly engaged in Hari bhajan is sannyas. Understand? Day and night, 24 hours engaged in Hari bhajan is sannyas. Understand? Yes. That is sannyas. Those who are devotees, their sannyas is for bhukti and mukti. Understand? Material enjoyment and material liberation. Their sannyas is for that. Bhukti and mukti. No material desire, no material enjoyment, no material liberation. Don't want. Bhavata bhakti rahituki toi. Life after life, only ahituki bhakti. Another devotion I want, nothing else. That is sannyas. They follow. That is sannyas. They get the mercy of Bhakti Devi. They get the mercy of Bhakti Devi. Understand? Yes.